Today, I encountered an issue on my website, the Invalid SSL certificate error code 526, which made my site completely inaccessible. The good news is that this issue is usually related to SSL certificate settings in Cloudflare, and I found a simple way to fix it. So let's dive in and get your website back online. First, let's log into our Cloudflare account. Once you're in, select the domain that's having the issue. Now you'll be taken to the domain settings page. From the left-hand menu, click on SSL/TLS. Next, click on Configure and then hit the Select button to change the encryption mode. By default, if your SSL/TLS mode is set to Full Strict, it might be causing the issue. To fix this, change it from Full Strict to Full. If the problem persists, switch it to Flexible. In my case, I'll change it to Full and then hit Save to apply the changes. Now let's go back to our website and refresh the page to see if it works. And as you can see, the website is back online. That's it. This simple fix resolved the Invalid SSL certificate error 526 in just a few minutes.